Ah! Hey! Start the stupid video! What's good, fam? Hey, thanks for tuning in, and yes, I still look like this. Welcome to the channel, I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media and subscribe to the channel for more sneaker-related videos that are plentiful, no. Infrequent, yes. Good, no. Mediocre at best, yes. Hello, pals. Today we're gonna take a closer look at probably one of the better general releases that Nike SB has put out this year. It's this. The Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the ACG Terra Red Plum colorway. This colorway follows suit with Nike SB's whole thing this year of doing colorways inspired by other models. This one is inspired by a 1992, I think, Air Terra ACG colorway. Here's what it looks like. So it's literally pieces of that shoe put onto the SB Dunk Low Pro silhouette. So let's take a closer look at this shoe before we talk about it. This is a really well put together general release. I think this is a really great shoe. You have an all suede upper, which is really good because number one, suede is just a better material for skateboarding, and number two, if you don't skate or you just skate poorly like me, suede is just more comfortable to wear. And it's pretty good suede. It's not like overly nappy, it's not too low pile to where it just looks like weird Durabuck or whatever. It's just a really well executed shoe. The official colorway on this Nike SB Dunk Low Pro is Red Plum Citron Black Taxi, which, as you can see, the red plum is the obvious dominant color on this entire shoe. As you can see, it's on pretty much everywhere. The citron, which is probably my favorite part of the entire colorway, is on the swoosh, on the tongue tag, and the secondary laces, which is very cool. You have the black on the vamp side panels, around the ankle collar, and the entire liner and tongue. And then the taxi is very subtle. It's the thread on the midsole, and also the Nike on the heel tab. This shoe was supposed to release like August, September, something like that. But due to the obvious and ongoing supply chain issues and shipping delays that are happening pretty much with everybody right now, a lot of stores got these within like the last month or month and a half. I know Uprise did a first come first serve on these a couple weeks ago, which I did not get them there. I actually got these through a friend of mine. Definitely check him out on Instagram. His handle is @cluckinforkicks. really, really good dude. He's up in Milwaukee, which is pretty close to me. We've actually hung out a couple times. He's probably one of my favorite people that I met through sneakers, so definitely give him a follow and check him out. The box price on these is $100, which is pretty standard for a Dunk Low SB. I wanna say resale currently right now is between like $180 and upwards to like $235 for bigger sizes. My size 11.5, I know right now is probably like $210, $215, something around there. So not great. It's still 100% more than what the actual retail price is, but you know, Nike SB Dunk hype is still pretty hot right now. Sizing on these is just like any other Dunk Low SB. You probably have to go up a half size because of the Nike SB Zoom Air insole, which is about probably 3 times thicker than like a normal Dunk Low or Air Jordan 1 insole. The biggest difference is because the entire upper is suede, it may be able to fit your true to size. I know personally, I have a size 11 of the Dusty Peach Dunk Low from a couple years back, and that's an all suede shoe, and I wear a size 11 in that, and it fits fine. But if you do have a wide foot or high arches, you probably want to go up a half size because of all the room that the Zoom Air insole takes up. My personal feelings on this shoe, I think is really well done. I'm actually a really, really big fan of how this shoe looks aesthetically. Probably my least favorite part of it is the speckled midsole, but I understand why it's there, and I think it's executed really well. I think these are way better than the ACG Terra purple ones that came out like last year or early this year. I did have a pair of those. I was just not into them at all. It's just not a color I like. But I think this is a really cool shoe. If I do decide to keep them, you can bet that these laces are going to be popped on there right away because I absolutely love the citron color. So there it is, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the red plum ACG Terra colorway. A very good shoe. A very good shoe. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll just tell you right now, I'm going to be out of the country for about 2 weeks. So I thought of this really cool idea where I do like a bunch of top like 5 and top 10 lists, because no one on sneaker Twitter does that yet. If you couldn't tell behind the 6.5 foot thick glasses that I'm wearing, I just winked at you because I know that everybody does top 10 and top 5 lists, especially towards the end of the year, but hey, whatever. I'm just gonna do a marathon amount of videos so that, you know, there's some videos for you to watch while I'm gone. So keep an eye out for those, I guess, if you really want to. But till next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!